Today I want to share with you the biggest risk that I've ever taken, and I'm gonna be honest with you, it's not what you really think. Most of you are probably gonna think that the risk that she took was actually quitting her good job and starting her entrepreneurship venture, right? And that was not the biggest risk for me, right? It was scary, but it was not my biggest risk. I changed my business model. So initially when I started my entrepreneur business, I changed my business model twice. Oh my gosh, I just thought about this. Like twice, 3 times maybe. Twice for sure that I can remember. All right, so when I first started my business, as you guys might know, I was an artist, right? I actually sold my artwork. So deep down in my bones, I am a fine artist, and I did pretty well, right? But there was a time where my commission work, like commission pieces were coming in, so many of them that I got so overwhelmed. And it wasn't a love for me anymore, right? And so because I was producing something based on what somebody else wanted, and I literally created art because it made me feel good, and I love creating it, and I sold what I loved. Okay? Switched from that model because it was overwhelming. The second model that I took upon myself to start and do, because I had people asking me about it, was coaching. And so I literally started coaching other people on how to market their business online. I started teaching other creative people. I started coaching other creative people on how to take their artwork or whatever their creative venture they wanted to do and put it online, right? And so that worked out pretty well. But y'all, I don't know if you guys know, I'm an introvert. And I'm sociable, but I'm sociable in very small chunks of time. And if you're doing a lot of one-on-one coaching, it's really taxing on someone who's an introvert because you are giving so much. And if you guys know, if you've ever had one of my coaching sessions, if you were inside of the Coaching Simplified membership, Coaching Business Simplified membership, you know during my spotlight coaching sessions that I give and I give. And so when I was doing these coaching sessions, I would have like 2 or 3, sometimes 4 coaching sessions in one day. Risky move for me because it was paying the bills. One-on-one coaching was paying the bills, but it was wiping me out. So the risk that I took was to stop the one-on-one coaching. Just cut it out. No more one-on-one coaching and re-engineer my business, right? What was it that I really liked doing? What was it that I felt like my clients were getting the most out of, right? And that was courses. That was giving them self-study courses that they can do on their own. That's what worked for me, right? And I knew that maybe the client who needed more hand-holding, that they would want that from me, but I had to be really stern. I don't know if I like that word, but I'm going to say it anyway. I had to be really stern that I was not going to take one-on-one clients, and that people would either have to take my courses and actually get some self-study done, and maybe we can do some email coaching. So that was a big risk for me. And initially, it took about 6 months for me to start to see income coming in on a regular basis. And then once I started the coaching, I started to expand a little bit more and offer membership program. And that's where I'm at right now. I right now have the Coaching Business Simplified. It is a membership for coaches where I offer done-for-you content, I offer spotlight coaching, and I also offer masterclass training. So I sort of was able to merge all of those things into one. I'm still not doing one-on-one coaching, but now I am doing spotlight coaching, which feels like more like one-on-one coaching, but everyone inside of the group benefits, right? So Sunday, I did an awesome spotlight coaching session with Chantel, right? Chantel had several questions, and I coached her through the whole process. It was about an hour long, and when you are a member, all you have to do is apply for the spotlight coaching, and you get coaching with me. I like that. That worked for me. But let me tell you, when I did flip my business model, my mentors were mad at me. They were like, Alease, it's making you money. Like, why are you stop coaching? Why are you not coaching anymore? It's making you money. It's paying your bill. I want to share with you that I had to just center myself and say, look, this is what I have to do. And these are the things that I thought about when I made that business model flip, okay? Number one thing is that I had to listen to the gut. I had to listen to my intuition that said, okay, girl, if you're not feeling this, quit it. Stop it. You can do it. It's your life. You can do whatever you want. You ain't got to do what other people tell you to do. You can do what you want. Number 2, now, it's okay to change your mind. It's okay to change your mind. For women, all know that we could change our mind in a flip second. We might want to go this place, and then all of a sudden, like, no, I don't want to go there, right? Y'all understand what I'm talking about? I'm one of those people, right? I change my mind all the time. It is okay to change your mind in business. I have changed so many things. I have changed the name of my group, my membership. My membership started off with one name. It started with a second name, and then I tried to get that trademark. That didn't work, and then I came up with another name, which was even better than the first two names. Changing your mind is okay. Letting go things is okay. If it's stressing you, dump it. If it's stressing you out, causing you to have anxiety, dump it altogether. Now, I have small panic attacks when I get very stressed about things. A high level of anxiety really creeps over me. And I realize if I feel anxiety over something, it is time to stop this crap, right? I have to let it go. Look, guys, I'll be 50 next year, and I ain't trying to look 50. I ain't trying to look 50 with no freckles. I ain't trying to feel in my health like I'm all stressed out. I will let that go. Number 4 is follow your own path. Now, let me just say this to you, because my mentors had laid out a plan for me, a business plan on how to grow my business, and it worked, right? But it required me to do one-on-one coaching. So what I had to do, I had to do a U-turn from their plan, because I needed to follow my own plan. And so when you follow your own plan and your own path, that is when you find the greatest joy. You're going to get pushback. You really are, right? And it's okay, because everyone's path is going to be different, and all you do is need to tell them, this is my path. This is the way I'm going to go. It might be the long way. It might be a shortcut way. I might, get some potholes along the way, but this is my path. So this is your path. Even if someone else is giving you another blueprint to do it, you can change up a little bit. It's okay, and that's what I did. And since I decided to take this risk, it has been the best thing that I could have ever done. Want to be part of the Coaching Business Simplified, which is the bomb group, then you want to go to aleasemichelle.com/the club to get on the wait list. But look, when you get on the wait list, I also have a freebie for you. It's all about how to launch your coaching business, because I know you want to launch it the right way. You want to make sure you are putting everything in the right places and you're not missing anything. And you want to do it without being hectic and overwhelmed with it. So you can download that free guide is on how to launch your coaching business without being overwhelmed, and get on the wait list, because I would love to have you inside the Coaching Business Simplified. Just to let you know, again, it's okay to follow your own path. It is okay to be your own great self, right? You guys have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.